Okay, again, now we're going to talk about the mathematics today, and so again, I'll put this on the web, and I'll you don't have to write anything down. Just sit down and relax and praise God. Okay. All right. So the 19th index additive twin prime companion prime. So that means that this is a prime which, if you add a twin prime companion TPC with its index, you're going to get another prime. The 19th such prime is 6703. So I cut and paste this from another section of this, because what I found out is another property of 6703 that I didn't know before, and God revealed that hidden fact to us today. Okay, that's what He did, and so we should be grateful for that. And furthermore, what we should think of it this way, that now today we are happier. Okay, we are happier because we know more. We know more than we did yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to go down here and explain this to you. This 6703 happens to be the 150th happy prime. 140th composite is 150, and as we know, 114 is the number of suras in the Quran. 6703 happens to be also a long prime. It is 333rd long prime. 333 in base 19 is equal to 1143 in base 10, and 1143 is 9 times 127. 6703 happens to be also a Gaussian prime. It is 438th Gaussian prime. 438th composite is 538. 538 non-Chen prime is 9127. 538's composite is 658, and 658 is the index of composite 798, and 798 is the frequencies of Kaf Ha Ya, Ain Sad in Surah 19. The index of composite 438 is 353, and 353 is the exponent of the 19th Gaussian Mersenne Prime, and it is the frequency of Ha plus Meem in Surah 42. Reminding you that, remember when Rashad came up with this count of Kaf Ha Ya, Ain Sad in chapter 19, we found out that 790 is actually 42 times 19. Remember that? That's why. That's why it's supposed to be 42. You see, because it tells you, okay? It brings out all of those other secrets, all of those other hidden facts in the numbers, in the universe to you. Okay, so this underlying stuff is the new information that God has revealed to us. 6703 is the 195th index additive biprime prime. This is a prime that when you add up a biprime or a semi-prime to its index, you're going to get another prime. Okay, and that's the 195th one of them is 6703. And 195 happens to be the 19th Sphenic number, but 195 is the numerical value of the 5 initials Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad in chapter 19. Okay, if I want to talk about this, I can talk about it the entire day. But my point with every one of you is the following, that God is telling us in chapter, let me see if I can get it here. Let's see. 27:25, I believe that's what it is. I'm not mistaken. There it is. Yeah. God is telling us in this verse, He says that why do they not prostrate before God? The one who brings out the secrets of the vacuum and matter and knows what they conceal and what they declare. Okay? So today, we saw the secret that God had brought us today at this time. And so we witness it together. So why do they not prostrate? And we do that. And that's an honor for us. These things now make more sense to us because the only way that you can find out about these things if God tells you where to look. Otherwise, you can't go through this maze of numbers and try to find these things out. They will not reveal it that way. You could go there for years and did not find it. Okay? So the knowledge comes from that because, as I said, the one who brings out the secrets of the vacuum matter. And again, furthermore, he knows what they conceal and what they declare. And that's, I go back to the first unit of this prayers, what I said, okay, that we have to make God happy. And part of making God happy is that to have clear and concise and righteous thoughts. Okay? I'm going to stop here and we'll do the rest of our Jummah. Allahumma